Stop people dividing you and ruling you. In Kenya, I told you in the 2017 presidential election, and it is live, it is quoted. You can go there, Google Mohammed DIDA. Just go and see YouTube Mohammed DIDA or Mohammed DIDA YouTube. Look at the presidential debate, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, 2013. I told you, in the Kibaki government, Kibaki was the president. Kalonzo Musyoka was a good friend of them. And Uhuru and Kalonzo Musyoka worked together. Kalonzo Musyoka was traveling all over the world saying, oh, Uhuru has not done anything in the post-election debate, post-election violence. He went around the world saying, we don't want Hague, what we want this, Kalonzo Musyoka. But because of interest, Kalonzo aliruka immediately, akakuwa vice president ya Raila. When Kalonzo Musyoka was working with Uhuru and the Kibaki team, Ruto was working with Raila. Because of interest, Ruto aliruka upande hii, yeye na Uhuruto, tutapeleka Kenya mbele, Uhuruto, Raila, Rao, Kalonzo, tukaimba. I came there. I was teaching at the secondary school. I came there. I told you, Kenyans, please, this is nonsense. What they are doing is stealing from you. They will never do anything. These people have no bit of morality. Their unity is just to maliza you. Mkaniambia, oh, ngalia ndevu yake, Muislamu, terrorist. Oh, you rubbished me. When I was telling you good things, you said, huyu ni wazimu. Mimi ni wazimu? Mkapata nini sasa? Now, the same people, are reorganizing, regrouping. I remember in 2013 presidential debate, I asked you, if your team is fighting, a football team is failing, and you change the uniform, will it work anything? You change the uniform. I'm the same failure. TNA, Jubilee, TNA. The color changed, but they're the same people. Sasa, they are again reorganizing. BBI. Another uniform. Soon, BBI will be a political party. When we were voting no or yes, no became Orange Democratic Movement. Because there is your tribe man leading it, you die for it. If they are stealing, it is your tribe stealing. So the Luos can cheat in their elections because it is a Luo ballot box. The Kikuyus can cheat because it is a Kikuyu ballot box. It is your country that you are finishing. Those who took care of their country, those who took care of their road, those who took care of their survey, those who respect the law of their country, not the person. Don't respect me as your president. Don't mind me up as your president. Mind the law of respect the office. Respect the traffic rules. Not your uncle is a police inspector. No. If I become the president, that should not make any difference to my son or my daughter. The rules in place. Today the Americans are seated in their houses. The Europeans are seated in their houses. The government is sending them food and money and medication in their houses. When you are working on tribe, kabila, mtu anavaa miwani ya black, alafu anaandika Raila, and he says, me, I don't see anything other than Raila. Kula Raila. Go and eat Raila now. Kwenda ukule Raila. TNA. Kwenda ukule Uhuru. Go. Let us improve our policies. Let us improve our health system. Let us go preventive medical science. Medical science. Let us learn science. Let us learn engineering. Let us respect the rules. Let's respect one another. When an expert in security is talking, let's listen to them. Sio unapiga mdomo. Umesoma art and craft. You are a musician. What do you know about security? Funga mdomo yako. Kila Mkenya ni mjuaji. I'm not an expert in security.